the formulae or the trigonometric identities we will be using here. Whatever formulas or trigonometric identities you have used and done problems in PU, those were of different methods. Now you will be learning shortcut methods also. So the first problem is sine square x plus cos square x is equal to. This is the direct formula. Sine square x plus cos square x is a trigonometric identity and it will be equal to 1. So you will go with the first option. Coming to the second question. Sine square pi plus cos square pi is equal to. It is actually looking different, but it is the same. It is same as sine square x plus cos square x. Only difference is in place of x you have pi, in place of x you have pi everywhere. So again you can take sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So sine square pi plus cos square pi also will be equal to 1. It will not change. Even if you change the angle x, the same trigonometric identity you can use. Let's go to the next question. Sine square 315 degrees plus cos square 315 degrees. What is the value of it? Again, it is looking same like sine square x plus cos square x. Only thing is in place of x there is 315 degrees. Again in place of x the same 315 degrees. So you can apply the same formula. Sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So sine square 315 degrees plus cos square 315 degrees is 1 again. All these are looking simple, but they will be useful in PU while doing some difficult problems, long problems, lengthy problems. You will be using all these. So you are practicing here. What about this? Sine square 2x plus cos square 2x. Again, it is looking same like sine square x plus cos square x. Only difference is in place of x you have 2x. Again in place of x you have the same 2x. So because sine square x plus cos square x is 1, sine square 2x plus cos square 2x also will be 1. The same trigonometric identity can be applied here. And so your option will be the first option. Now what about this trigonometric identity? Secant square x minus tan square x equal to. Yeah, secant square x minus tan square x is also equal to 1. This is another identity, but the answer is 1. Direct trigonometric identity. Coming to the next question. Secant square pi by 4 minus tan square pi by 4. What do you think the answer would be? It is looking same as secant square x minus tan square x. But the only difference is in place of x you have pi by 4 everywhere. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be 1. Secant square x minus tan square x is 1. Secant square pi by 4 minus tan square pi by 4 is also 1. Let us go to the first option. Coming to the next question. Here, cosecant square x minus cot square x. What it is equal to? It is the direct trigonometric identity. So you can take the value for cosecant square x minus cot square x is 1. Actually, when you are writing in your book, you need not write the whole question as I have written on the board. Just you can write cosecant square x minus cot square x equal to 1. Or secant square pi by 4 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to 1. If simply you will write the questions and answers like this, that is enough. Okay. Now what about this question? What is the answer for cosecant square 5x minus cot square 5x? How this is looking like? It is looking like cosecant square x minus cot square x. The only thing is, in place of x, you have 5x. In place of x, everywhere you have 5x. So what will be the answer for this? Yes, it will be 1. Because cosecant square x minus cot square x is 1. Cosecant square 5x minus cot square 5x is also 1. Again, you will go to the first option. Shall we go to the next question? Here it is quite different. Sine square x is given as 3 by 4. Your work is to find cos square x. How you are going to do here? Which formula you are going to use here? You know that sine square x plus cos square x is 1. This is the trigonometric identity. Because you have to find cos square x, you can write it as 1 minus sine square x. So you can use this formula for cos square x whenever you want to find cos square x. So cos square x will be 1 minus, you know what is sine square x? What is sine square x given? 3 by 4. Now you have to take 1 minus 3 by 4. That is 4 minus 3 by 4. Or it is 1 by 4. That means we got cos square x is 1 by 4. Let us select the first option for cos square x, which is 1 by 4. So here you have seen, when sine square x is given, you are finding cos square x by the formula cos square x equal to 1 minus sine square x, right? Let us see what is there in the next question. In the next question, cos square x is given as half and your work is to find sine square x. So what will you do here? Again, you will take the formula sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. You know cos square x, but you have to find sine square x. So what will you do? Find sine square x by writing as 1 minus cos square x. This is your formula now. Sine square x is 1 minus cos square x. So how will you find? 1 minus cos square x is given as half. And now, what is 1 minus half? Yes, it is half. So we got sine square x as half. Let us take the third option where we have getting sine square x equal to half. Let us see the next question now.